Never outshine the master. Avoid overshadowing those in authority. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Be cautious about trusting friends and consider using rivals.
Grab your free copy now. Click the link in the description to download your exciting ebook. Happy reading!
Conceal your intentions. Keep your plans hidden to maintain surprise. Always say less than necessary. Be mysterious and avoid revealing too much. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Protect and cultivate your reputation. Court attention at all costs. Make yourself visible and draw attention. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Delegate tasks, claim success. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Create a sense of need in others to gain control. Win through your actions, never through argument. Demonstrate your abilities rather than argue. Infection. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Distance yourself from negativity. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Make others rely on your assistance. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. Use honesty to gain trust, but manipulate. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. Frame request as beneficial to others. Pose as a friend. Work as a spy. Gather information while appearing friendly. Crush your enemy totally. Eliminate threats completely. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Create value through scarcity. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Keep others on edge. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Stay connected for support. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. Understand others' power and sensitivities. Do not commit to anyone. Keep your options open. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Lull others into underestimating you. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power. Yield strategically to gain influence. Concentrate your forces. Focus your efforts for maximum impact. Play the perfect courtier. Adapt your behavior to different situations. Recreate yourself. Continuously reinvent and adapt. Keep your hands clean. Avoid direct involvement in dirty work. Play on people's need to believe too. Create a cult-like following. Offer hope and purpose. Enter action with boldness. Be decisive and confident in your actions. Plan all the way to the end. Anticipate consequences and plan accordingly. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Minimize visible effort. Control the options. Get others to play with the card you deal. Influence choices available to others. Play to people's fantasies. Appeal to their desires and fantasies. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Find others' weaknesses for influence. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Command respect. Master the art of timing. Act at the right moment. Disdain things you cannot have. Reject what is unattainable. Create compelling spectacles. Capture attention through dramatic actions. Think as you like but behave like others. Conform outwardly while preserving inner thoughts. Stir up waters to catch fish. Create chaos to exploit opportunities. Despise the free lunch. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Establish your identity. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Disrupt leadership to weaken opposition. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Influence feelings and thoughts. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. Reflect others' behavior to disarm them. Preach the need for change, but never reform. Too much at once. Gradually implement changes. Never appear to perfect. Show vulnerability and humanity. Do not go past the mark you aim for in victory. Know when to stop. Avoid overreaching. Assume formlessness. Adapt to circumstances. And stay unpredictable.